Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to find file manager on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just swipe up and open the app drawer. Then in the search bar, just search this. And once you do that, you will find the file managers on your smartphone. Now as you can see, there are two file managers. There is the one from Google and you also have Oppo's own file manager app. Now if you open the file manager app, then select agree and continue. You will be able to access all your photos, videos, audio files, documents, APKs, and deleted files of your smartphone from here. And from here, you can check the remaining storage out of the total storage of your smartphone. And you can also do the same with Google's file manager on your smartphone. And this is how you can find the File Manager app on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.